Hello, awesome kids! It's super fun learning with Miss Irina. And guess what? We are at the garden today to see all the beautiful flowers that smell so nice and bzz, 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 tiny bugs buzzing around. Once upon a time, let's meet our special friend. Oh, who could this be? Is it an elephant?
No.
No, not quite. How about a frog?
No.
Nope, not a frog either. What do you think? Bee?
Yes.
Yes, you got it. It's a bee. It's a bee. It's a bee. Can everyone make the B sound with me? B. B. Bzz, bzz, bzz. B for bee. B. B. Bee. Buzzing around. Hello, bee. Can you all give a big wave and say, "Hi, bee. Hello. Hi. How are you doing today? Isn't bee just the cutest?" Oh, look at those amazing black and yellow stripes. And guess what? Bee has 6 tiny legs. Can you help me to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job, everyone. Beautiful wings. 2 twinkling eyes. 1, 2 antennas. And a cute little tongue. Where does bee like to go? To the garden, of course. In the garden, there is so much to see, so much to smell, and so much to do. The sun shines brightly, helping the flowers bloom. And you know what happens next? Flowers call out to bees, just like our bee. Bzz, 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 bzz. Bee, do you like flowers? Bee nods and says yes, yes, yes. Bee collects sweet pollen from the flowers and carries it back to her home. Oh! And do you know what bee's home is called? It's called a beehive. Yes. Can you all say beehive? Beehive. A great job, everyone. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away when nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away when nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz up high, buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz down low, buzz, 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 buzz. Buzzing fast, buzz, buzz. Buzzing slow, buzz, buzz, buzz. Buzz to the left, buzz, 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 buzz. And buzz to the right, buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz up day but sleep at night. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away when nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you know that bees make honey? Yes, it's true. Bees make honey. This is honey. Honey. Let me show you how they do it. First, bees, like our bee friend, fly from flower to flower to collect nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid found inside the flowers. This nectar is delicious. Delicious, says the bee. I use my long tongue to suck up the nectar and store it in my special honey tummy right here. Yes. Once the bee's honey tummy is full, she flies back to the beehive to share the nectar with her friends. Inside the beehive, the bees chew the nectar until it becomes thicker and more like honey. Now they need to store the honey. Let's find a nice empty honeycomb cell. This is a honeycomb. Honeycomb. The bees store the honey in the honeycomb cells. Look at all the delicious honey. Yummy, yummy. Now bees need to close the honeycomb cells with special beeswax to keep the honey fresh. It's like putting a lid on a jar. Now the honey is ready to be enjoyed. And that's how we make honey, says the bee. Yeah! Thank you, bee, for sharing. Today we are going to join Bee and her friends on a colorful adventure with the new wooden beehive toy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's go. Look at this beautiful beehive. It has some holes for one of each of the bee friends. Can you help me to count the homes?
Yes.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job! 7 homes for 7 bees. And guess what? Each hole is a different color. Let's meet the bees and match them to their homes. Here comes our first friend. Can you guess who is it? It's the red bee. Red bee, can you find your home? Sure, my home must be the red hole. So, you may fly into the red home. The red bee goes to the red hole. job. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Now, who is next? An orange bee is buzzing around. Bzz, 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 bzz. It's an orange bee. Orange bee, can you find your home? Of course, my home is the orange hole. Let's put it into the orange hole. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Oh, fantastic! Put it in, put it in, put it in. Fantastic! Let's see who is next. A yellow bee is next. Oh, look, it's a yellow bee. This bee is yellow. Hello, yellow bee. How are you doing today? Can you find your home? Yes, my home is the yellow hole. So, you may fly into the yellow hole now. Bzzz. Bye-bye, yellow bee. See you later. Now, who is next? A green bee buzzes in. Bzzz. It's the green bee. Can you find your home, green bee? Absolutely. My home is the green hole. So, let's put the green bee into the green hole. Bzzz. Excellent. Now, let's see who is next. A blue bee is next. This is the blue bee. Blue bee, where is your home? Can you find it? Sure thing. My home is the blue hole. Oh, great. You may fly into the blue hole now. Bzzz. Bye-bye, blue bee. See you later. Great job. Now, who do we have next? An indigo bee is next. This is the indigo bee. Hello, indigo bee. Can you find your home? Yes. Yes. My home is the indigo hole. Let's put it into the indigo hole. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Oh, yes. Awesome job. And finally, who do we have last? A violet bee. It's a violet bee. Violet bee, can you find your home? Of course. My home is the violet hole. Oh, yes. You may fly into the violet hole now. Bye-bye, violet bee. See you later. Oh, hooray! All of our bee friends found their colorful homes. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 bees in their 7 colorful homes. Great job, everyone! Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away when nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away when nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz up high, buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz down low, buzz, 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 buzz. Buzzing fast, buzz, buzz. Buzzing slow, buzz, buzz, buzz. Buzz to the left, buzz, 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 buzz. And buzz to the right, buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz up day, but sleep at night. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away when nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was an amazing adventure with our bee friend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye bye friends. See you soon again.